Hey guys, let's see today how to turn off apps inside iMessages. So guys, you can see, just go to iMessages, and now guys, from here if you just tap on the plus icon, now guys you can see the list of the apps showing here, and if you click on the more, yeah, it will show the list of some apps. But guys, if you don't want to so here from the list, let's example I want to remove from the list like music and digital touch. So guys, still you have the option which you can turn off apps inside the iMessages. So guys, in order to turn off apps inside iMessages, that means that go to settings, and now from the settings page just go to messages. Just here you go, just tap on it, and now guys from here you can see over the iMessage apps, just tap on it, and now see guys, because whatever they are appearing, it got already turned on. So let's example I don't want the Pinterest set, just go to turn off, and guys now if you go to the iMessages, and if you just tap on it, and now guys if you just select the more, so here you go, the Pinterest set earlier it was showing over here, right? Now it is not showing. So guys, this way you can turn off apps inside iMessages. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.